Modstorm is insane. It is crazy. Hello and welcome to Modstorm. I'm your host Leighton, and I'm going to show you what Modstorm is capable of and what it is. Maybe in the later videos we're going to also go ahead and make some games. Now let me tell you right now, Modstorm is insane. It is crazy. It is web-based, okay? So cross-platform if you're on a PC for Windows or Mac, or on a tablet or phone, you can still play these games. Nuts, right? And you think that's just the good part? Nah, there's more. There is more. Wait for it. You don't even have to download anything to build these games. You just log in, boom, and code right there in the browser. And I use the word code, but that's incorrect because guess what? You don't need to code. There is no coding. You don't have to learn a programming language to make games in Modstorm. So, whew, that is pretty insane. I know that when you build games like in Roblox, you got to download the Roblox Studio. You got to type your fancy logics into Lua. But like for this level smoothness and 3D rendering, it is absolutely insane. I played games over the internet and never have I ever seen like the games that would render their 3D graphics and everything in the browser run so smooth. Check this out. Let me go ahead and mute it because it has some really nice audio happening in the background. There's my little avatar and I look at this, like no lag. It is ridiculous. You saw how fast this world loaded up to. I'm gonna say it again, Modstorm is insane, dudes. Insane. So let's take a quick view of Modstorm before I get carried away and actually start playing one of these games. Let's go back to the home. Once you log in, modstorm.com, you know how we do. What would happen here is you'd be at the home page. You can see all these cool games. Oh, did I mention multiplayer? So, these games are ranked by stars, but if you and your friend would come and join into one of these games, then you would see your friend there. Just like that. And when you build your game, once you log in here and you build your game, you don't have to do anything special for your friends to be able to just play it with you as well. Not to mention you have a shareable link that you can just send to them and boom, they're in. Even while you're building it, they can join in and possibly even help you. Why not? First thing we're going to see up here in the top left corner is the menu to go to settings or the editor. Now the editor is where you would actually build your games, and that we're going to get into later in our later videos. Okay, so the settings here, this just gives you general like view, audio, and some sensitivity control for your mouse and UI chat. Now this button here, the up and down arrow, is a sorting button, so you can click on it and then sort the games that are being displayed here on these thumbnails. You can sort them by what's most recent or what's most popular by like how many players are playing it and how often it's played. If you click on the most recent, you can see that it's like a lot of these will show up. And what I said, like these is little thumbnails that are kind of like the default thumbnails. So like the person that's building it hasn't really chosen a actual thumbnail yet. And most of these you can see like those who have thumbnails, or you can say that those are kind of like more complete games because the developer is taking the time to now start to make it look good. Now if you've ever watched any of my other videos, you know that I'm all about creating the thing, make it work, and then we try to make it look good. That's the programming path or steps that I like to take, but we're not getting into that for now because we're not talking about me. We're talking about Modstorm. Next, in the top left corner here, we have a little face, little guy, little avatar, and that's exactly what it is. You click on it and you see that this is your avatar button. You can go to my avatar and then you can go to your den. Of course, friend list. You should already know what that means. And if you don't, then I mean, then you don't. I had a joke somewhere in there. Anyways, let's continue with my avatar. My avatar will bring you to where you can customize how your guy look. Just click and drag to kind of like change your view, change your perspective, see how it looks. And then you have all the colors here and the different options that you can pick from. They're going to be uploading more in these in the future. Keep in mind, Modstorm is changing almost every day. It's still in the growing stage, but hear my words, Modstorm is taking the internet by storm. That I just thought of that. That was I thought it was good. Next, you're gonna have the My Den. So this is kind of like your man cave. Okay, your little room where you do your personal stuff, and you can hop in here and experiment and build. So I have it set up this way where it's kind of like a Minecraft. So I could just click to like break the floor how I want to, and then I have my blocks down here. I can click on them, and then I can place them in the world as well, like so. So it's pretty cool. You can come in here, and if you love Minecraft, come in here and just kind of like make your nice little Minecraft castle or whatever it is that you like to do in Minecraft. Anytime you're in the game, your mouse does lock to the screen, so keep that in mind. You will have to press escape on your keyboard, poof, like that, and then you get your mouse back. Bye, friend. I'm just gonna go ahead and go click up here and go back to home. And of course up here you have your name where you can log out in case you have maybe another account. But yeah, that's it. So you can see that's how you operate or kind of navigate the page. But we're gonna get into the editor soon, probably in the next video. But in this video, you can see here a list of title games. Feel free to hop in here and just click around, play them, check them out. They're amazing. Modstorm is completely incredible. You gotta check it out for yourself. I'm gonna catch you in the next one.